Somebody's stalling.
What do you mean?
I want to go look at the baby chicks. Chainsaws. Chicks. Chicks. Yeah.
You got 12 of these?
Got 8 in here and 4 in here. Let me see the little window. Anybody home? I wasn't the only one that wanted chicks.
Went around chickens be like chickens, I guess.
Well, he said that for Valentine's Day he was gonna buy me a dozen flowers, but instead he bought me
Dozen chicks.
Today's day 105. I'm Sam if you have made it this far into the video, and that is my husband Larry.
Yeah. I'm still a little hoarse from my
Procedure.
operation the other day.
He's having a good day. This week has been a little touch and go with some, what'd you call it? Spasms, kidney spasms. We're hoping that it's just his kidney getting some little residual stone fragments out of there that may be in there. But like I said in yesterday's short, he does have, or at that time on Monday, he still had a portion of the kidney stone stuck to the wall of his kidney. So there was nothing that the doctor could do with that. But we are making the most of the good day that he's having and having an us day. We are kid-free. Stay tuned. I'll wrap this short up once we get the chicks home and settled, and we'll tell you what they are. Y'all hear that? That's the sound of the farm. We're back home. The boys stayed with Grammy. She took him to the good old dollar store. They got some toys. That's Brent. See y'all tomorrow for day 106.
106.
We got some Sapphire Gems and some Old Faithfuls. You'll have to subscribe to see our video coming up.